section of the program.
But we're gonna spice it up a bit this time.
We are. It's a whole other situation here. Typically, what do we do typically, Mike?
Typically we do show us your pipe is kind of a, my favorite part of the podcast, where we recognize an installation, a well-done installation, done by a pure tradesman, professional. We highlight the install, we highlight the products, not just ours, but a lot of the other things around that job.
And the diamond plate, ideally.
The diamond plate is
always LED lights.
LED and diamond plate adds a little extra flavor.
That does.
And we always try to recognize the installing contractor, and we send them out a swag pack to recognize the work that they did. That's what we do.
We do. And this time around, it's a completely different story. This is a show us your pipe kind of contest. Actually, it's more like FedEx your pipe contest.
Yes.
A little bit here. So what we're looking for now is some of this kind
the reverse of that.
Some of this cruddy looking PVC stuff. If you come across discolored, sagging, busted, sloppily glued,
brown, purplish,
disjointed, et cetera, just the kind of stuff that you are removing from an installation in order to put high efficiency venting in, please post it, send us photos so we can take a look at it, and tag us on Instagram as well. We'll share it.
Save those pieces, because what we want is,
we want you to send them to us. We are doing a lot of work with code bodies these days. We find that it's really obviously venting is and most HVAC stuff is very tactile. Feeling, seeing, smelling in some cases is way more instructive than a video, than a photograph, et cetera, et cetera. So thank you first and foremost to Charles Buddy Felt, who is always he's on the team. So he sent us a couple of things already.
He came across a really bad install where the PVC pipe had browned and almost burnt.
Yeah, it was torched on one end of it.
Yeah, and he showed us a picture, and he's like, "Hey, you guys want it?" And we're like, "Hey, as a matter of fact, we could probably put that to use."
Yeah.
So he cut out a section. He sent it to us. We actually had it at the ICC show last week, and it garnered a lot of attention from code officials.
Yeah, it's very instructive, as we said, right?
Do we have a picture to show?
I probably have one. Yes.
Okay, so here it is.
Yes, maybe.
Maybe. Hopefully, we can plop it in there.
I mean, it looks not undissimilar to this stuff,
but a lot more browner.
But it literally had like fire marks around one of it. Like you could clearly see that it was burnt
from the inside out. So what we are looking to do, the reverse of show us your pipe, is show us your bad pipe.
Yeah.
In this case. So if you come across bad installations where the pipe is brown, fragile, cracked, disjointed, sagging, which we did have a picture of that too.
Yes, we did.
Take a picture of it, send it to us. We will quickly respond back. We would love to, depending on the install.
We'll pay the shipping, of course, and we will handsomely reward you with stickers and swag and coffee mugs and espresso cups and pins and scarves. And I'm just looking around at all the Centrotherm garbage that we have in this room. I'll be happy to send you a wonderful pack of fun stuff as a thank you. And
and again, we'll pay for the freight to get the stuff get the stuff to us, and in return, we will send you a pack of swag. But let us see the pictures first, and this time we're doing it the opposite, side of the coin.
Send us your pipe.
Send us your pipe.
So yeah, that's it. That's a small and short of it. We look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. We know that you deal with this regularly. We talk with people every day. I mean, who are doing boiler rip outs, who are replacing low efficiency with high efficiency, who are visiting places that unfortunately have had a failure due to using the improper unlisted vent, and they're putting in, of course, a listed system. So yeah, we look forward to seeing what you guys come up with, and happy to clothe you with Centrotherm jackets and shirts and hats and everything. I mean, it's winter. I got nice new beanies.
I have one of those at home.
So everybody, show us your
bad pipe.
Your bad pipe.